Welcome back to the XLM family. Just want to start off by saying thank you, for all your support over the recent updates. Cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these updates. Simple as that. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with XLM's price right now, and of course, what we could be expecting going into, Friday morning. But as far as the broader market is concerned, the momentum is yet again carrying on, which is again amazing to see. XLM, on the other hand, is up 1.6% in USD compared. We're actually down 0.6% in Bitcoin compared over the past few hours. Price is currently sitting at about 48.3 cents, approaching the 50 cents price point, halfway to $1. I know a lot of people within the XLM community want that dollar, price. And again, that is a psychological price point. And I really wish that you guys, get that. But I'm going to share some of my personal thoughts with you guys, of course, talking about, the short-term price ranges and really understanding, how realistic it really is for, XLM to reach $1. But the market valuation almost at $15 billion in the 24-hour trading volume, about 1.8 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance here, guys, 57.62%. We did see that uptick a few hours back, but since then, has pulled down a little bit. But, you really want to be comparing it to the 13th of Jan. We have pulled down quite substantially. Hence, you are seeing tremendous amount of green right now across the crypto board. You can see this for yourself. You are seeing double-digit gains throughout the board, and this is a huge catalyst, behind that. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin, let's give it a refresh live. It's currently sitting, wow, not the dominance. We need Bitcoin. Here we are. It's currently sitting at about $102,000 going into Friday morning. This is amazing to see, and we honestly could be breaking out of the yearly high that we set for ourselves just at the beginning of this year. If it's able to do that, I wouldn't even be surprised if we start heading towards all-time highs, into the week where Donald Trump comes into the office and Gary Gensler gets removed. But with that said, let's really take a look at what's happening with XLM. So yesterday, of course, we set, a new yearly high for the year of 2025, but we're yet to go past that level that we set for ourselves back on the 28th. And back on the 28th of November, you could see this for yourself. We actually saw XLM reached a price of 64 cents. So the dollar, that's a conversation that happens quite a bit in the crypto space, especially within the XLM community. When is the XLM price going to go to $1? When is it going to reach $1? When is it going to do this? When is it going to do that? What I really want to show you guys is one thing. So look at the market valuation, $14.7 billion. And now if you're looking at the XRP, which is considered the big brother of XLM, if you know their running joke, XRP's market valuation is about to reach, now let that sink in right now, it's about to reach $200 billion. And double that, we flip Ethereum. And I do believe, we're about to see history being made. And the reason why I say that is because, and I've said that in my XRP updates, and nothing against Ethereum, of course, but XRP never has had its bull market, right? Since 2017-18 top. So this time around, once you actually break out of the actual all-time high, which is around $3.80, once you crack past that, you see that, I think you see the price discovery mode, obviously, the price entering, and you hear Gary Gensler being removed. We might hear more developments, SEC cases gone, and the amount of demand there is right now could really, really take XRP's price up to, the top 2 level. So now you guys are probably scratching your head and saying, Crypto ZX, why does this matter? What does this have to do with XLM? Reason why I'm saying this is because, remember, you see that correlation between the two. And I do believe XLM could easily smash past the dollar price point, hitting new all-time highs for the first time also in about 7 years. So let this sink in. It's not just for XRP. XLM still did not reach an all-time high last cycle. So I really do believe that is, not an unrealistic thing to be thinking about. And if you compare, the market valuation of XLM to XRP, it's completely peanuts. Completely. And let's say, realistically speaking, a 400 billion-dollar market valuation for XRP, this bull market. And even that is a huge deal. That would put XRP around roughly, give or take, $7. Again, that would be crazy to see. And based off of me just looking at those numbers, obviously if it were to reach $400 billion, could we realistically see XLM, sitting at about, 30-40 billion-dollar market valuation, even 50? Honestly, not unrealistic in my books. And at the end of the day, you need to realize this is my own personal opinion. This is my own personal opinion. I do obviously just speculate. At the end of the day, no one, and I repeat, no one, let me tell you, no one is going to be having that exact price target. But, we can kind of guesstimate, look at it from a historic price pattern, and, kind of come up with like a realistic prediction, not just sit here and just make numbers out of thin air and say $50. Like, come on. But I still think, if everything goes as planned and XRP reaches those valuations, and, XLM, and, obviously Donald Trump, announces some more positive things, for the crypto space, especially, some of these US-based projects. You never know what can happen, within, this crypto space in such a short span of time. But what I want you guys to be doing right now, because around these times, people can completely forget about, the targets, your exit strategies, locking in profits. So, if you have an exit strategy, stick with it. Simple as that. But now let's take a look at the price briefly and really understand what's happening. So, of course, we went up to the 51.5 cents, a nice healthy correction. But now look where we're being supported by. You saw those wicks that, we were talking about, that key resistance that, we got stopped out literally at the beginning of the year. That exact same resistance is coming in as a level of support right now for us, which is amazing to see. So, nice healthy correction right now, but I do expect that, we will start heading towards, yearly highs that we set for ourselves last year. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, we're getting closer and closer, only about a 32% move from where we currently are. But one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. I really do believe that XLM could highly benefit from this XRP move, as well as, the major developments that, we're seeing as more and more institutions start focusing on it. Things can really start getting exciting. So, I think the next few weeks are very important. Months are very important to really see what the, the Trump administration has in plans for the crypto industry. And yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys on the same page as me? What are your personal predictions on XLM? I would love to know your thoughts down below in the comments. We'll see you later. And if you watch this video till the absolute end, guys, come on. I love you all. Comment down below Trump. And yeah, that will show me that you watched this till the end. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.